Hi everyone. Faced with a volatile supply situation and already elevated energy prices over the last couple of the years, the recent drastic reduction in natural gas delivery by Russia to the EU has again led to a spike in natural gas prices, with new developments happening every day and increasing concern over natural gas supply in Europe. Let's take a look at the current situation and multiple supply scenarios that could pan out in near future along with their impact on key European countries, commodities, and categories. Russia being the major exporter of natural gas to EU. After the onset of conflict, Russia has reduced gas supply to Europe. Recently, Nord Stream 1, the major pipeline facilitating gas inflow, was operating at 40% capacity from April till 10th July. Post this, a 10-day maintenance started on 11th July, completely halting the supply during the period. Post-maintenance, flow resumed at the same level on 21st July. However, Russia has further reduced the supply to 20% on 26th July, which has supported the recent increase in natural gas prices. Now, talking about the current supply situation, and given the recent developments explained above, currently with the restricted inflow from the Nord Stream 1, the latest gas storage levels stand roughly at 60 to 70% across Europe, which is significantly lower than the average storage level during this period, with expectations to achieve 80% storage across Europe by winters. Moving on to the probable scenarios, we believe following three scenarios could pan out as depicted on your screen. Scenario 1: improvement in supply to 40% in upcoming weeks, with low impact on supply and a 12% decline predicted in Q4 compared to current levels. Scenario 2: continuation of 20% flow from Nord Stream and a negative impact on supply with a 25% increase in prices in Q4. Scenario 3: further reduction or complete shutdown of gas inflow from Nord Stream 1 implies high negative impact on supply and a sharp 65% price rise. Speaking about the possibility of occurrence of each scenario, the scenario 2 seems most likely and scenario 3 is the least likely as per the current market dynamics. Having said that, government authorities have put some mitigation strategies in place to secure gas supply, like increase in natural gas production by 33% in Hungary, improvement in LNG imports, and restoration of coal and oil-based plants. Further supported by a voluntary agreement between EU members to reduce the gas usage by 15% till March 2023. This sharp increase in natural gas prices is bound to exert significant inflationary pressure to some of the key energy-sensitive categories. On your screen, you could see the impact over different categories. Overall, starch, aluminium, glass, plastics, and resins having high energy-intensive production process will be highly impacted, whereas categories like carton board, natural colors, and fibers having low energy requirements will be less impacted. If you are interested to know more about this topic, our commodity and category experts will be happy to help you to understand what you can do to mitigate the impact of some of these risks on your key categories.